Efficient order fulfillment starts with one critical decision, knowing which location should handle each order. Whether you are routing orders based on customer preference, stock availability, proximity, or manual control, having a flexible and reliable order assignment system is essential for any multi-location operation. In this video, we'll walk you through the order assignment and management by location feature, covering every available assignment method and showing you exactly how each one works in practice. Let's get started. To configure your order assignment settings, start from your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Location Manage, then open Settings. Inside Settings, click on Order and Cart tab. This is where all order fulfillment and assignment configurations are managed. The first option you will see is Order Fulfillment, the core section that controls how orders are processed and assigned across your locations. Within the Order Fulfillment section, you'll find the Order Assignment method. This determines the logic used to assign each incoming order to a fulfillment location. There are 4 available methods: customer selection, inventory-based, proximity-based, and manual assignment. Each method serves a different fulfillment strategy. Let's explore all 4 in detail. The first method is customer selection. When this is enabled, customers choose their preferred warehouse or store location directly from the product page before placing their order. To see this in action, go to your shop page and open any product. On the product page, you will see a location selector allowing the customer to choose which warehouse location they want their order fulfilled from. The customers select their preferred locations and proceed to place to order. Now from WooCommerce order section, here you will see the order has been assigned to the exact warehouse location the customer selected during checkout, giving full transparency and control to both the customer and your fulfillment team. The second method is inventory-based assignment. With this option, the system automatically assigns each order to the location that currently holds the highest stock quantity for the ordered product, ensuring fulfillment from the most well-stocked location. Now go to your shop page and open any product. The system works silently in the background till the customer simply views the product and places their order. Note that the optional location selection can be toggled on to allow customers to optionally choose a location even when inventory-based assignment is active. After the order is placed, you will see that the order has been automatically assigned to the warehouse location carrying the highest stock for that product. No manual intervention required. The third method is proximity-based assignment. This option automatically routes each order to the warehouse or store location nearest to the customer's shipping address, minimizing delivery distance and reducing shipping times. From the shop page, the customer opens a product and places their order as usual. No additional selection is required from the customer's side. The system handles location assignment automatically based on their shipping address. Opening the order in WooCommerce orders, you'll see it has been assigned to the warehouse location geographically closest to the customer's shipping address, optimizing fulfillment speed and delivery efficiency automatically. The fourth method is manual assignment. In this mode, orders placed without a selected location are held with an on-hold status until an admin manually assigns a fulfillment location. This gives your team full control over every order and is particularly useful for complex or high-value fulfillment scenarios. Manual assignment can be performed in 4 different ways. Method A. Assign directly from the orders list. On the order row, you'll find a Select Location drop-down. Simply choose the appropriate warehouse location from the drop-down. The assignment is applied instantly without needing to open the order. Method B. Bulk Location Assignment. To assign multiple orders to a location at once, select the orders you assign to a location using the checkboxes. Then open Bulk Action. Click here, Assign Location. Then click Apply. A location selection prompt will appear. Choose your desired location from available location. Click here. Then click Assign Location. Then confirm by clicking Confirm and Assign. All selected orders will be updated instantly, a significant time saver when processing large order volumes. Method C. Assign from inside the order. Open an individual order you wish to assign. On the right side of the order screen, locate the store location meta box. From here, select the warehouse location you want to assign to this order. Then click Update to save. This method is ideal when you need to review the full order details before making the assignment decision. Method D. Assign location per product in a single order. For orders containing multiple products that you have the option to assign a different warehouse location to each individual product within the same order. Open the order. Scroll down to the order line item. At right side, you can assign any location. That's assign Japan. It will be default location. And from here, you can assign different warehouse for each location. Then click Update. This is particularly valuable when products in the same order are stocked at different locations. Here's a summary of what the order assignment and management by location feature delivers for your business. First one is flexible fulfillment logic. Second, automated routing. Third, customer transparency. Fourth, full admin control. Fifth, product level precision. To get the most out of order assignment by location, keep these best practices in mind. 1. Choose your assignment method based on your business model. Customer selection works best for retail stores. Inventory based suits high volume operations. Proximity based is ideal for first delivery businesses. And manual assignment is best for premium or custom order workflows. 2. If using manual assignment, monitor your on-hold orders regularly to ensure no order waits too long for a location to be assigned. 3. Use bulk assignment during peak periods to process large numbers of orders efficiently, selecting and assigning dozens of orders in seconds rather than one by one. 4. For orders containing multiple products sourced from different locations, always use per product manual assignment to ensure each item is fulfilled from the correct warehouse. 5. Enable the optional location selection toggle when using inventory or proximity-based methods, giving customers the flexibility to override the automated assignment if they have a preference. Order assignment and management by location gives you the control, flexibility, and automation needed to run a seamless multi-location fulfillment operation, from fully automated routing to granular per product manual assignment. With the right method configured for your business, every order reaches the right location efficiently, accurately, and on time. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.